Howard Johnson's Eagle 0.39% specialty fungicide offers effective control over a wide range of fungal lawn diseases, including common problems like dollar spot, brown patch, powdery mildew, anthracnose, and more. Containing the active ingredient myclobutanil, this granular fungicide offers systemic protection against lawn diseases on established turfs, including residential and commercial lawns, golf courses, and in sod farms and ornamental turfs. As a systemic treatment, Howard Johnson's Eagle 0.39% specialty fungicide is absorbed through the entire plant, from the roots up, for total coverage. This granular fungicide can be used for both curative and preventative treatments. For the best control of lawn diseases, apply as part of a preventative disease control program. In residential lawns and turf grasses, apply at a rate of 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet every 14 to 28 days, depending on the disease being treated. If application intervals are given for a specific disease, shorter application intervals are recommended when the conditions are favorable for the disease to develop, when disease pressure is high, or when using as a curative treatment. When treating non-residential turf grasses, the application rates can vary between 4 and 8 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Consult the product label for complete application instructions for non-residential turf grass. To apply Eagle 0.39% specialty fungicide, begin by calibrating your spreader according to the manufacturer's instructions to match the recommended application rate. Add the needed amount of fungicide to your granule spreader. Walk the length of your lawn with the spreader, working in even rows to ensure total coverage. You may also see improved coverage by spreading half of the product in one direction, then spreading the other half in rows that run perpendicular to the first set. The uniform particle size of Eagle 0.39% specialty fungicide helps to maximize even distribution during spread. That means a more consistent application and fewer missed spots. Sweep any granules that land on paved areas back onto the lawn. Water the product in lightly to avoid pickup of granules after you finish the application. Always wear the appropriate PPE when mixing or applying any fungicide product. This should include long-sleeve shirts and long pants, closed-toed shoes, and protective gloves. Howard Johnson's Eagle 0.39% specialty fungicide is a Group 3 product. Rotate use with a non-Group 3 product to avoid resistance buildup. At the 4 pound per square foot rate, a 30-pound bag of Eagle 0.39% specialty fungicide offers coverage of 7,500 square feet of turf. Always read the label for full application and usage instructions to ensure a safe and effective treatment. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.